What is progressive overload?
Progressive overload is a training principle that means gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles. By systematically challenging your body, you encourage consistent strength gains and avoid hitting plateaus. This method works for beginner and advanced lifters alike and can be applied in many ways, such as increasing weight, reps, or changing your workout tempo.
Increasing weight safely.
One of the simplest ways to apply progressive overload is to add more weight to your exercises over time. Start with a manageable load and increase it in small increments, usually about 2 to 5%. This helps your body adapt without risking injury. Always prioritize proper form and allow enough recovery between sessions.
Adjusting reps and sets.
Another effective strategy is to increase the number of repetitions or sets you perform with the same weight. For example, if you've been doing 3 sets of 8 reps, try aiming for 9 or 10 reps, or add a 4th set. Incremental changes like these steadily boost intensity, promoting muscle growth and endurance.
Changing exercise variables.
A progressive overload isn't only about lifting heavier. You can also slow down your movement, shorten rest between sets, or use more challenging variations. For instance, pausing at the bottom of a squat or doing push-ups with your feet elevated makes your muscles work harder and triggers adaptation.
Tracking progress and staying consistent.
To see the best results, track your workouts by recording weights, reps, and sets. Review your progress regularly and make small adjustments to continue challenging yourself. Consistency is key. Listen to your body, recover well, and embrace gradual improvement for ongoing strength gains.